Today we're taking a look at how to edit your videos Dude Perfect style. Oh, first time! Get in! What's up guys, my name is Francois, welcome to this brand new channel and thank you so much for joining me on this beautiful day. This video is part of a new playlist on how to become a video editing machine using Premiere Pro. Every week I'll be releasing new tutorials just like this one, so make sure you give this video a like and get subscribed so you don't miss any future videos. Unless you've been living under a rock, you might have already seen some of the videos by the guys at Dude Perfect. Not only they're the kings of trick shots and jaw-dropping sports techniques, but also their videos are some of the best edits I've seen on YouTube in a long time. So taking away the trick shots aspect and the explosive celebrations, I decided to look into how you can take fairly normal footage and turn it into great entertainment, just like the DP guys do all the time. And I will sum it up into three categories. First, it's obviously the speed ramps. Going from slow motion to fast to normal to slow motion again gives the action some build-up, some release, some tension and momentum that you just wouldn't get if you're playing it real time. Secondly is the transitions. Everybody loves a good zooming in and out and swooshy smooth transitions, and the guys at DP are not the kinds to hold back on these. By the way, make sure you watch this video until the end to get your hands on some free awesome transitions. And the third category is editing to the music. Pacing the edit so that the pinnacle of the trick shots happens at the beginning of, say, a chorus or a loop cycle. So you know what to do, grab your snacks, get comfortable, and let's get cracking. Let's go! Okay, so for the purpose of this video, we're not going to be able to use actual Dude Perfect footage. Also, the two trick shots I did in the intro took me about 45 minutes to get them right. So instead, we're going to use some footage from a music video I worked on this year, because everything was shot at 100 frames per second, which is extremely important in our case, since we're going to use time remapping quite a lot. As always, I'll also leave a link in the description for you to download these exact footage so you can follow along the tutorial. So here's the first shot. So with the clip selected, right-click on the FX icon at the top left corner and select Time Remapping, Speed. Now the middle line will be set to Time Remapping. Choose where you want this time to start slowing down and to go back to normal. Press P on your keyboard to bring up the pen tool and add a keyframe on both these points. So around here, before the jump, and at the end. So now you end up with three sections. We want the middle one to be slower than the other two, so drag that line down until you're happy with it. You can hold down Shift to go by increments of 5%. So let's just go down to 25 just to show the extent of the effect. Let's play it back. It's already looking pretty cool right now, but it's still a little bit awkward. It goes from normal time to slow motion a bit too abruptly. So here's the number one trick you need to remember. So if you click on one of these handles and drag away from the keyframe, you'll allow Premiere Pro to go from one speed to another gradually. When I discovered this trick, my mind was literally blown away. It's managed to elevate my B-rolls and my music video production up a massive notch. So here's the clip fully done now. Lovely! Okay, so for this second example, we're going to use some free transition presets by the good man Chung Dha. He's got loads of cool presets on his YouTube channel, but for this Dude Perfect example, we're just going to use a zoom in transition. I'll make sure to leave a link to his videos where you can find the download link to these exact same presets down in the description below. So we're going to use these two clips here, going from one drummer to a guitarist, and let's use the zoom in transition. These presets are set up to best work on a total of 20 frames, so 10 frames coming out of the first shot and 10 frames going into the second shot. Place your playhead between the two shots, hold Shift and tap the left arrow on your keyboard to go back 5 frames twice. 1, 2. Press Ctrl Command K to cut the clip. Now go forward 20 frames, 1, 2, 3, 4, and do the same, Ctrl Command K to cut the second clip. Now grabbing the zoom in out presets, drag it onto the first clip, and let's click and drag the zoom in into the second shot. And that's really cool. Okay, before we go any further, let's address the elephant in the room. Yes, this is me. Yes, I used to have long hair and be in a band. We can do the same with the zoom out if we want, so let's just undo that a bunch. Do the zoom out onto the first shot, and the zoom out into the second shot. And let's play it back. Okay, I just want to take a moment to say that if this is your first time on this channel, thanks so much for joining me and for making it this far into the video. I'm very new on YouTube, so it would really mean the world to me and help me out if you could give this video a like and subscribe to my channel. Now back to the cool part. There's a lot of other cool transitions available out there on Chung Dha's website or just on the internet in general, such as zoom in, zoom out, pan from left to right, you get the idea. I highly recommend you to try them all, it's really, really fun. Okay, so one of the key aspects of the Dude Perfect videos are the high energy and uplifting tunes they use, and the fact that they always resolve the trick shots at the beginning of, say, a chorus, a loop cycle, or even just at the end of the drop. Here I get a track from Epidemic Sound where you can find loads of really cool, high quality tunes. What I'm going to do is just place a marker on where the chorus hits on the track, just so I know where to match the action with. So I'm going to place 2 keyframes on this clip so that the video starts from going very fast to very slow, back to normal speed just when the chorus kicks in. Since the time relap shifts the video over and over, you will have to drag it back to match where the marker is. And boom! So let's play it all back with all the examples we've seen today. By the way, make sure you smash the like button if you're also enjoying the mismatch between the music and the band. Et tu vois un truc cool? And let's get cracking. Dude Perfect style. There you go, that's it for today. You now know how to edit your footage just like Dude Perfect. I hope you enjoyed this video and learned something useful today. If you did, you can like this video, get subscribed and hit the notification bell. Also, if you want me to cover any particular subject or technique relating to video editing or just filmmaking in general, make sure you write me a comment below and I'll make sure to answer every single one of them. Finally, if you're wondering what to watch next, I recommend you to watch this video right here. Thanks again for watching, my name is Francois, see you in the next video.